explain to you what we're doing. We're pulling our washer and dryer out of here. We had a lightning strike. Landed right in the middle of camp the other day. Terry was out here. He said it was like a freaking bomb went off. He felt the shock wave. But it took the air conditioner out of this cabin and this cabin. That one's already been replaced. We're replacing this air conditioner today. It cooked our washer and dryer, so getting it out of here. We got a new one coming. Well, both new coming. Took out all sorts of light bulbs all through camp, all of our motion sensor lights and everything, took them all out. So we've just been slowly getting everything put back together. Heavier than I thought.
Hey, that's a washer and a dryer.
Yeah, it's a combo deal. We got a bunch of other scrap metal around here. We'll load it all up and
go to the scrap yard.
Get it going. Let's put this on the back of the golf cart. Pull the golf cart around here. There you go. Some of you are saying, what in the world are you putting PVC pipes on that for?
Keep the pins off.
Makes it a lot harder for the raccoons to climb it. This is one heck of a jury-rigged deer feeder, but it works until we replace it. We should be able to stand that up. 1, 2, 3. Get there a little bit. Keep going.
Yeah, I got to loosen it to get it fit in there just right. It's
yeah, now that it's up, we can do that. Well, we'll go get the put the bucket back on the tractor.
fix it.
And we'll fix all that. Probably hold 7, 5, 6, 7. Muscle break 8. Okay, part of it back here. Yeah, I need to put that in that feeder back there. That'll work. Going for the ride, me or you?
I'll go.
Alright. Do I need to get a better angle?
No, you're good right now. Just come up so I can get this. I want to get that fixed.
Yeah, undo that strap.
Alright, that's good. Hang on 1 second. Loosen it just a little bit more.
Well, we're good. There you go. Take that off. There you go. There it is. Alright. Want me to level the bucket out some?
Yeah. It's not bad. Yeah, come up a little bit higher. Yeah.
in a while they kind of hang up on you. Good there. Eaters. There we go. All right, I'm out of here. See you.
See you later, man. But I think that right there deserves a cold beverage.
Oh yeah, a cold adult beverage.
Of the adult sort, yeah.